Okay guys, today we're also going to be reviewing this AZ Industries Dillon powder adjustment knob. Now this is a really nice aluminum dial, and it's got two set screws on each one of these, so one on top and one on the bottom. Okay, now what this looks like mounted, check that out. So this is like super easy to just turn and fine tune and no more wrench. It's just a really nice blue aluminum. And again, just taking a look at these, I mean, they're made really well. Let's just take a look at one of these here. But you can see, I mean, this is just really nice machining. Again, you have a set screw on the top and the bottom. And obviously you just start one here, start one here. What I like to do is just get them flush inside so they're not protruding. Then you go ahead and you just set it on there, and then you go ahead and you set your two screws, and you're done. Super nice, very well made. I like them a lot, and it's a nice little upgrade instead of going for the big wrench and trying to turn it that way. So again, shout out to AZ Industries, the Dillon powder adjustment knobs. Very well made, good product. Okay guys, that's it, and we'll continue on with the other accessories and reviews as we move. Alright, God bless, thank you, leave your comments and suggestions.